Hello there, welcome back. As we all know that Halloween is coming, today let's draw a ghost. So let's get started. So first let's draw a upside down U and then a curl down on both the sides. Now let's draw a wavy line here. I'm adjusting the shape a little bit. Now let's draw a circle for the hand and another one. Now I'm drawing a pumpkin shaped candy basket. Circles for the candies. Now eyes, nose and mouth for the pumpkin. And now I'm going to draw the eyes and mouth for the ghost. After eyes and mouth, now I'm going to draw the leaves. Here I am drawing leaves randomly in different shapes, sizes and different places. If you want, you can add some more leaves as you like. Now let's quickly draw the outline. Erase the pencil traces and start the coloring. Okay buddies, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.